To show why you need to start making videos, let me tell you a story. This is Graham. He's a successful real estate agent who loves watching YouTube videos in his spare time. Secretly, he'd love to start his own YouTube channel, but he doesn't think he has the right personality for camera.
I was way too self-conscious to start a YouTube channel. I really didn't think anyone would ever want to watch me.
So he doesn't do it. For years, he has this dream, but he does nothing. But then, in 2016, while he's waiting to show a home to a client, he decides to pull out his phone and films a quick video about his best tips for real estate agents.
We're going to start with this. This is called the light switch.
He took a month to work up the courage to upload it, but once he'd done that, he realized it wasn't too tricky and he could do it again. So he made another video, and he started uploading real estate videos more regularly. Now, Graham has over 4 million subscribers and earns a very good income by making videos on YouTube. He even employs 2 other people full-time to help out with his business. Now, while I'm not guaranteeing that you'll achieve the same level of success as Graham did, I want you to imagine what would have happened if he let his disbelief stop him and he never uploaded that first video. Graham just needed to get started. And you do too. So let's go make some videos.